up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing something very different. I am reviewing a car. So I've been eager to review one of these cars for a while now. It actually just came out. It's actually the newest of the newest model of the Honda Civic Si. So today we're reviewing 2023 Honda Civic Si. So right now I'm about to go meet one of my friends, and he just purchased an Si. All right, so this is the 2023 Honda Civic Si. Now, this car, the body kit, the original OEM kit on here looks good. I like it. The headlights is one of my favorites. I like how they just, everything just thinned up. Like they just did a better look compared to the older Honda Civic Si's. I mean, you can't beat this black on black. It already comes with factory tint for you guys. Then got the lip. It looks like a BMW type dash model, like the dash right here, up here at top. But look at the seats. Oh my goodness. This is my friend right here, Victor, man. This is his car, man. How long you had this car, man?
About a week now. About
a week. Only been driving manual for about a week too, huh? About a week. So today we're gonna do some. We'll get in here. I'm gonna get in here and see how it really feels. What's the biggest difference, like compared to this to this? Like, I want to know the big difference. But I like this new look. Like Honda did their thing. They went back to the original style. So it was like hatchbacks, and I just didn't really feel comfortable. But now let's go back to the original style of a Honda Civic. This is how a Honda Civic is supposed to look like. And I'm not really a big sedan person, but if I had it upgrade to a 2023 Honda Civic Si, I would truly get this sedan. I just love black on black. Like, I like black on black. Now, you know I'm not a big black on when it comes to wheels, but for OEM, no mods, this is perfect. Like, this is nice. But yeah, we're gonna jump in here and see how it sounds. I'm a huge Honda person, and I want to see what this thing is all about. Now I'm gonna show you guys this. This is crazy. Do you see how much space this thing has to modify? Ridiculous. Like, in my car, I can't see nothing nowhere near here. Like, all this is like blocked. I can see the transmission, I can see the downpipe, I can see everything. Also, it has a turbo. So they got rid of the VTEC. You guys should know that. Got rid of this VTEC a long time ago. And this engine has so much space. It's a huge battery, by the way. But man, this engine has so much space to work with. And also, one thing I really love, look how easy you can get to if you want to do coilovers or something like that. You can easily just take them out quick. You don't have to worry about removing all this like on older models. So yeah, it's a huge upgrade. I like what Honda did. They really put their time into it. Like, the space is unbelievable. I like how the intake is in the front now. It's very easy to change. Like, everything is so spacious on these. Like, I would love to work on this car because the space is unbelievable. So yeah, we're gonna get in the car and see how this thing runs, man. I'm just so excited. But man, that thing is, whoo, that thing's nice. Oh, that thing is quiet. Very quiet. Oh, I like the dash. I like that. That's nice. I feel like I'm James Bond in this guy. Man, look at this. This is nice right here. They really, yeah, man, I don't want to get demonetized. You know, they do that on YouTube a lot. Man, this is like so simple. Like, this is very good. I like this style, man. Oh, look at that. That's something new. Oh, so this is you can hook your Apple. Oh wow, man. Dang it. Yeah, it's time for me. I might upgrade again. Wow. That's nice. Very spacious too, man. You can fit. Oh, yeah. You can fit some good sized people in here. It's first week driving manual, so I feel like I'm getting this car. I'm at the dealership. Man, I love this new car smell.
Who doesn't?
Man, I just wish if there was a scent out there you could have new car smell in your car. This thing only has 108 miles on it. Don't worry, these stalls out get stuck on the hill. It's a great learning experience. Oh wow, you're right. I can't hear it. Like, it doesn't really tell you that, oh, it's time to change out.
A few moments later.
I gotta get used to that.
Yeah.
The gears are super tight this time.
Yeah.
Like,
that's what I was afraid with.
Stiff.
That's what I was afraid with the 6 in reverse.
Yeah.
Or going back to 4th.
Oh my gosh, it's so stiff. Like, these gears are so tight. I thought mine was tight. These are tight. Oh man. Get a little quick spin inside this guy. You know. Gotta get used to this clutch. I can't even feel the point on this clutch. That's the crazy thing about it. Let's see, let's do this thing. There we go. Oh my goodness. Wow. Fourth gear. Alright. Gearbox is so compact, like. But this is like stiff, like. But overall, this car is like amazing. Dry, smooth. You know, one thing I do miss that they don't have in this car, this feature, is they don't have a mirror. They don't have a camera on the mirror.
Oh yeah.
So I used to press over here. I can see my blind spots.
Now they just have a little light on it that lets you know.
Yeah, you're definitely gonna have fun with this car, man. It's gonna let you know already. You're gonna have some fun. Once you start like doing little mods to it and stuff, you'll love it. The exhaust is so quiet. Like, when I had a stock exhaust, I could hear it. Like, this. This clutch is so smooth. Like, it's scary. I don't feel it. I don't feel when I'm supposed to give it gas. You know what? One thing I do see a difference is, like, when they upgrade it, it looks more like they're trying to go more like a style this time, not more of a sports look.
Yeah. Like
in mine, it's like more of a sports look. But this is like a typical businessman look, like a car. You know what I'm saying? You want spec, it's a manual. It's how everything looks. I see where they're trying to transition to something else now. Like they want more of a slick style. Like, yeah, this is more proper. Like we can compete with the upper class cars. I really think you was gonna get this car.
You did it?
Nah, I said, this man, he playing with me, ain't gonna get no inside. Nobody gonna buy no manuals no more.
It was either gonna be this one or a Toyota 86. Maybe the BRZ.
Yeah, you got a BRZ, man. I'm definitely gonna rip that guy.
Only reason I leaned more for this one is because it was a 4-door.
Yeah, all those are cubes. Yeah. That's one thing they do. That's one option they do have. You can get stands or coupes. That's one thing Honda like. Nah, you got a family, still get you in one. Honest opinion about this car. I'm giving this car about an 8.5 out of 10. Now, some things I gotta get used to, like off rip. The steering wheel is so slick. Like, you put lotion on, I don't know how you turn it. Now, the biggest issue, this gear shift is so tight. Like, I would basically think, because right here you have so much room, but no, this is actually neutral right now. Like, so it's neutral is so stiff compared to all the past models. Like, the gearbox is so compact. I thought mine was tight. No, this is super, super tight. Now, would I get one? I don't know until I see more mods on it, like who's doing like nice modifications on these cars. I haven't seen a lot yet, and I don't know there's a lot of aftermarket parts for these cars yet, because they just came out. So this is a 2023 Honda Civic Si. So this is a nice car, a very nice car. Now, if I had like children and stuff, I would love I get one of these quick. It's a sedan, got space right there, crazy space for you and your family. I mean, everything up front looks so like, it's not, they got away from the sports style. I'm like, I'm okay with that, but at the same time, I don't know, I'm not, because that really got me into the SIs with the sports style look. But now it's look more like it's like a BMW type slash, it's like a modern look style now. Now this right here, this is super nice. I like this, but it looks so like, it's just like, now it just looks different. Even look at the pedals itself. It's no more of that street style looking more. It's more like modern. Went through something different, and I'm okay with that. But this is a nice overall car. I like everything. I mean, the interior did a great job. I mean, just kept it simple. How long Honda's gonna do manuals, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, they're trying to wipe away the engines community very soon. So this might be one of the very last. So maybe you got probably, I say about you got probably like good another, I say another three or four more generations come. But I mean, this gonna be it. It's like manual's not gonna be around much longer. So it's very great that Honda went back and came out with another manual car. But yes, you guys enjoy my man Victor. This is his car, man. Look, I don't know what he want to do to it, but I know he got something on his sleeve, and I'm here. You know, so I'm gonna help him out any type of way I can.
You're the first person I call.
See, so you know what I'm saying. So I would love to help him out with this build, see what we want to do to it. But yeah, this comes to the very, very end of this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe below. And you know what I'm saying, legit is out.